Your path to confident homeownership can start today at richmondcustomhomes.com. Wondering how much house you can really afford? Let's break it down step by step. First, calculate your monthly income before taxes. This is your starting point. Next, apply the 28-36 rule. Keep your housing costs under 28% of your income and total debts under 36%. Then, subtract your existing monthly debts like car payments, credit cards, or student loans. This gives you a clearer picture of your available budget. Now factor in your down payment and estimate your loan amount. Use that number along with current interest rates to estimate your monthly mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance. Finally, leave room for savings and unexpected expenses so you stay financially comfortable after buying your home. With the right planning, you can confidently shop within a budget that works for you. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.